That's good. That is spicy.
That's perfect. I want to taste your gravy.
Yeah.
That was a good serving size.
The lamb is really good too.
Oh, that's fire. Oh, dang, that's good. Okay, Al Shahi.
And it's hot. It was like.
Temperature?
There, have a piece of lamb.
It's fresh.
That mango lassi at the end of this will be.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, that lamb's so good.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, Bengali food is. You never had Bengali food. You gotta get on that. I love that there's this bone-on goat. Yeah. Oh man, it's so good. And like I said, I like the option. Some places like only rice, and it's like I don't want rice.
I'm not a rice person. I'd rather have like a naan or a roti or something.
And they bring it out like regardless, so it's like you get the rice, and then you got to pay for the. Ooh, this is so good.
That goat is really tender.
It's unreal. I was talking to Shaq today. He's telling me he got some girl's number, some Portuguese Brazilian girl. He's like, bro.
He got that one
He's
number
like,
out.
yo, this girl is, she's a 10, bro. She's a 10. Good man. But you gotta ration your. How's your naan done and you barely touch that?
It's a lot.
No, I know it's, but I'm saying is like you gotta like ration your naan. Not like you can get more, but I'm a quarter. You almost done half.
Let me
of yours.
live.
It would chew your food, man. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so
Really
good. Oh, it's perfect. This is exactly what we needed.
Anything
Thank
else?
you. I think for now, I think we're okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Oh, this is... Let's get this with. My mouth is on fire.
Yeah, this is kind of.
What? Is this too hot for you? I should have said mild.
No, it's good. It's just it's just starting to like kick in a little bit though. I could
Okay.
probably do like half of it before I'm like I can't do this anymore. I'm fine. I don't know why you're looking at me like that. Act like I can't do spice.
Yeah, but why would you say you'd only do half before you can't do anymore? Because it's spicy.
It is, but I can tolerating it right now. Like it's fine.
I just want to try a little piece, man. How come it's spicy? How come that?
I did have some of that. That's probably what it is.
Just lingering. My parents would kill this right now. Let's go. This is food, man. Look at that, boys and girls. Look at that.
Lamb korma. Lamb korma.
Oh man, this is good. Yeah, my food is, when I mean like hella spicy. Hella spicy. That's good. You just can't stop. Mm. Oh. So we went out for lunch yesterday. And it's funny because I was gonna ask Carl like, how is it? Would you eat it again? Would you come back? He said he really liked it. Yo, this is fire hot.
What
but
did
it's
he
so
get
good.
again?
Banh mi.
I don't know about what type of banh mi.
I think he got the regular, so the pork. He said he loved it.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's better than the banh mi we had in Maryland that one time.
Uh-huh. It was really good.
That banh mi was so good.
No, Marcos really liked it. He's never had it before. But then Kachi said she's never had it in the U.S. She had it when she went. She said it was really good. Trey said it was fire. And Joe loved it too.
Mm-hmm. How far away is it from work? Around like 15 minutes. Oh, man. Yeah, we gotta get a lassi for sure after this. Oh, this is so good. You're starting to sweat a little bit.
I'm never sweat. My nose will run, but I'll never sweat. The only person I've seen sweat was AJ back in high school. When he came over to the house and mom made food and she brought the pepper sauce out. I don't know what he was thinking. I think he thought it was like legit sauce. And he like poured it all over his chicken. We're like,
You guys didn't say
asked
anything?
it. Yeah, of course we said. We're like, dude, what are you doing? You know, AJ, yo man, I'm used to spicy food, man. I'm used to spicy food. I use spicy food all the time. All right, man. You never had like Guyanese pepper sauce? No, man. He's eating his food. He's not saying it. He's eating his food. He's enjoying it, but man, like sweating, like dripping, sniffling. I just remember being like, "Yo, you okay, bro?" You get my parents are like dying of laughter. Wow. It's crazy when you think about it. Those boys used to come over like since high school days, you know?
Remember at Billy's wedding? When people kept asking me if I was okay with the food.
Yeah.
Is it too spicy for you? Is it too spicy?
Well,
I'm like,
I was messing with
I'm
Carl
fine.
too.
I have a lot more like gravy to sop up too, like with my naan.
Oh, this is so this is so spicy, but get some of your korma juice. You can taste the nuts.
Yeah.
It has such a creamy. That's such a nice gravy. Oh man.
Really good.
Ooh. But it's not even the extra spicy. I'm kind of scared about that extra spicy curries. My dad would eat that for sure. I'm not fucking that. Oh man. Ooh. It's kind of sad Mark couldn't join. He eats. It's like he's like tries a lot of different foods. Mark's super cool. He's very introverted. So like once he gets like to know you, he's like out of his shell. So he'll come over and talk, which I like. Ooh, what? Don't say spicy. Have some
Maybe
of
getting
this.
full.
I don't want to hear some. They give us some really good portion sizes.
Yeah.
There's like mad meat in here.
We'll save some too if we want some for tomorrow.
So save some. Don't force it.
Some really nice pieces of
Lamb,
in
yeah,
here.
real nice, and it's lots of lamb. They
Yeah.
did not like cheap out.
No.
This gravy is fire.
Mm-hmm.
That gravy is amazing. Oh. This Karahi is fire too. I think, yeah, at least she likes spice. She would. Oh man, this is so good. This goat is perfect.
Flavorful.
Perfect texture too. Oh my god. This is hot. Huh. I wonder if Cam ever came with us to Lahore. I think he did, maybe.
I was telling my client yesterday,
Oh,
or somebody this week, I can't really remember,
oh man.
how where I grew up there wasn't like a diverse.
Where's your client from? Like, what's her background?
She hasn't told me.
We haven't asked.
No.
Is she white?
No.
What is she?
Black.
Like American black?
I mean, she was born in America. She grew up in Detroit.
You didn't ask where her parents are from?
I've only been working with her for like a week. I didn't want to get into too much detail.
Fair.
But we talk about food every now and then, and I told her where I'm from had no food. Like, I told her, I'm like, there's a Peruvian place now where I'm from.
Honestly, I
And
wonder.
that's a
If,
big deal.
I wonder.
There's nothing.
I wonder if it did. You just never.
No.
You just drove by it because, like, you never. That wasn't your thing.
No. No.
You don't think so?
No.
Well,
Not my thing. It would be like my parents' thing.
dang. Ooh. I can't
We
stop.
want more piece of lamb.
Hmm?
I actually want one more piece of lamb.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have heartburn tonight for sure. I'm done.
Maybe the mango lassi will help. I'll grab a piece of lamb. Alright, I think I'm done.
Yeah, this one. Get the rest to go. I mean, that's a pretty big portion.
I think I got about half in.
Oh,
They're pretty good.
oh more than half.
Yeah. That was really good though. It's a very like creamy.
Yeah.
I really like it.
What are you
Eating
wasting?
my food, man. No one's wasting over here.
Oh man, this is so good. That gravy's fire. That gravy's unreal.
This is what I wanted. I wanted my naan and I wanted to do this.
Their halim is probably fire. We'll come around and have the halim. Split a halim. What different? I think they had like a beef halim. I think they had goat and chicken. I thought it was only like beef or goat. Mm. See, that's the other thing. A lot of Indian restaurants won't have goat. They'll only have lamb, which is fine. Well,
So I was telling you to get goat.
I'm telling you, like, goat is elite. Goat is the most consumed animal in the world for a reason. Actually, I was talking to Addie. I think he was
I feel
telling me
like
like,
also a lot of people that eat the goat, they don't eat like beef or pork, so it's like
oh, I got you. So they're mainly eating goat.
yeah, maybe I don't know.
I don't know if I agree with that. I don't think I've ever heard of somebody who just eats goat.
I'm not saying they just eat goat, but it's like if they're not eating beef, they're probably.
Well, I haven't met somebody who eats goat but doesn't eat beef. Like if you love goat, you love beef.
So like
And you love
Clark
lamb,
doesn't
and you
do
love
beef.
chicken. I don't think she does goat. She ain't doing goat. She's chicken. She's Punjabi. She's alright. Well, it's safe. I don't want it.
Oof.
I don't want to just like finish this off for the sake of finishing it off. I don't want to just wrap such a small piece of naan back. What do you want for dessert?
Do you want to split the jalebi?
Jalebi? I mean, we got a half pound. We don't have to eat it all. We'll take some.
No, it's okay. That's gonna be a lot. Let's just do the mango lassi.
I don't want jalebi.
Okay, get jalebi.
I want it both.
No.
I just don't want to
that's
get a
too much.
lassi and then you tell me to. You're gonna have a couple sips and I gotta finish the rest.
I'll drink it. I'll drink it with you.
It's hot. It's delicious. It's hot. Oh, that tomato's fire.
This tea's still hot.
Oh man, this tomato's delicious. Should have a little bit of tomato with my stuff.
So full. I did pretty good on this though.
Yeah.
You want to get one naan to go?
No.
You need a wet wipe.
That was perfect. I do have to go wash my hands. You finish the tea?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, that's for two. Are you gonna wash your hands?
Yeah. You can go first.
I don't want to just like mess up my hand. I'm gonna go wash my hands and be back. Just 2 things if she comes over here.
How you gonna have these?
Yeah, can you get a couple boxes, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
This is where I'm recording. It's nice. So somebody got a prayer room over there too.
Oh, nice.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Appreciate it. Good? Yummy. Yeah, nice little takeout containers too. Nice. Nice. Alrighty. Thank you. Can we also do one mango lassi?
Yes.
And question for you: the jalebi. I know it says a pound and a half pound. Do you do like anything smaller than a half pound?
I can give out like 2 pieces.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh man, this place is so good. Oh. All right, we're gonna finish our meal with some jalebi and a mango lassi. So I'm excited for that. Let's try to clear off this table a little bit. Get our naan crumbs off. Alright, there we go. That looks a little cleaner. And naan crumbs cleaned up. Oh, this is so good. That was really good. Oh man, this place is delicious. Core was on point. Both of the dishes that we got were on point. The korma was unreal. I really enjoyed that. I would say it's probably one of the best kormas we've had. Yeah, no, that was really good. And the Karahi was on point. I asked her. I, s- I asked for. I said, because they only have jalebi in like a pound and a half pound. I was like, I don't really want a half pound of jalebi. She said she'd give us a few pieces. I was like, all right, perfect.
Nice. Did you see Mom and Tom have an Instagram now for their business?
Nice.
For their business? Did you
Nice.
see that?
I think so, yeah. Very nice. I'm so excited. Yum. Oh, it's so good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, and you're gonna make
Nice. Thank you. Let's go for the finale. Look at that mango lassi and that jalebi. Oh, looks so good. Oh, and that lassi looks fire. All right, let's do this. All right. You ready? You take the first sip. I'm going for the jalebi. This is what I grew up on. It like takes me back to my childhood. Just crispy, filled with some syrup. Always got like a little. I don't know what the seed is, but it's so good. Oh, this is good. This is not even that sweet, which is fire. Oh, this is a perfect combination because this is way more sweet than that. Oh,
What are those seeds called? Like a Nigella seed?
maybe. No.
I don't know what they're called. I think we'll have a bag at the house though.
Oh, it's so good. Have you had jalebi before? Where have you had jalebi?
I've had it with you.
Have you?
What?
Oh.
This is like a fried dough.
Is there even a description on jalebi there?
This is crispy Bengali sweets made from maida and sugar syrup.
Made from what?
Maida.
Probably a type of flour. One thing I like about this is that they don't put some jalebis like fluorescent orange. So they use food coloring. Oh, jalebi's so good. It's probably like one of my all-time favorites. But like, I was a kid, this was my favorite.
It's still your favorite. It's still your favorite.
I don't know if that's my favorite. I would say milk cake. Indian milk cake is. Jalebi's good though.
I think any milk cake anywhere.
I don't think you've had Indian milk cake.
Ben Sweets over there? Ben Castle, sorry.
It's not Indian.
What is that?
It's Yemeni.
Oh, that's fair.
Indian milk cake is not what do you think it is. It's dense. It's not like there's no like liquid to it. The only reason it's called milk cake is because the main ingredient is milk. But it's unreal. One of my favorites. Whew. That's good. Mom, you said you were gonna drink.
I have been drinking it.
I had like half of that already. Whew, that was good. That was on point. Oh man, that was on point. You like it? Mm. High rating for me. This is really good. But
For me.
they're gonna throw me out of here. This is good. This is really good.
Imagine
Oh,
if there was a
what's the
buffet
best
in here.
Al Shahi, Bengali or Bangladeshi Indian food or Bangladeshi food. Absolutely delicious.
Al Shahi.
Al Shahi. Alrighty.